And I loaded her up with some of this beautiful ultramarine blue, some lapis lazuli blue. It's a urethane Volkswagen lapis paint code. So let's get a couple test sprays and see how she does. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys ready? Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, here we go. Laying down real nice.
I'm filming Nate while he films.
It's like a fourth wall break inside a fourth wall break.
It's gonna look good. I'm gonna take a few coats and it's gonna look good.
Alright, well guys, as you can see, that thing, man, this is butter right here. That is nice. We got real good coverage. It's gonna take a few layers. This is a really reduced blue. I didn't reduce it, so I would have preferred it to be a little thicker, but man, it just, that gun, that spray is good. So, you know, if you have the means, I highly suggest that you pick one up. They are so choice. Later, guys.